Let's do this mob wife era makeup. First off, I'm just taking a dark brown eyebrow pencil and I'm just going over my eyebrows. Now I am making these darker and thicker than they normally are. Now we're just taking some P. Louise base and we're putting that all over the eyelid. Just taking the Doll Beauty Artist Collection palette and I'm taking a variety of these brown shades and we're just building up to a nice dark brown smoky eye. Now this doesn't have to be neat, it can be quite messy. We are going for a kind of dark grungy makeup look. We're just blending that right out and making sure it's really smoked out. Now I'm just going in with my lash curler and I'm just curling my lashes. I've been doing this recently and it's definitely making a difference. Just applying a little bit of mascara here before we put on these stunning lashes by Lily White Cosmetics, and these are in the style Paris. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of Inglot liner and I'm just going over that lash band just to make it really prominent that we've got lots of eyeliner and stuff on. Now we're just moving on to foundation. I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. This is nice and full coverage. I absolutely love this foundation and I'm just using the Unicorn Cosmetics sponge to blend it all in. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of the fine concealer in shade 5 and I'm just blending that in with a blending brush. Now just taking the Peaches setting powder and I'm just putting a little of that under my eyes. Now I'm going in quite heavy with it, then I do dust it all away just because I wanted this to be a super matte look and I wanted the bronzer and stuff to be really prominent just to let it stand out a little bit. Just taking this Beat Face Cosmetics blusher and I'm just putting a lot of that on my cheeks. Now we're just tightlining the eyes with some black eyeliner. And we're smoking that out a little bit as well, just so that it's super black. Moving on to lips, I'm just using a P. Louise lip liner. It's a dark brown one, can't remember the shade, but I will leave it in the description for you guys. And MAC Jamie Genevieve's lipstick. And this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.